Lahat. 300 talaga, sir. Wala nang bawas yun. 350 yan. 300 ko lang. Meron pa dito, oh, this one. Matabayan. Kasing taba ng tindera. O, di ba? Nakakaintindi kayo ng Tagalog, sir, di ba? Kunti. Kunti talaga, kunti. Sir, anong language nyo? Koreano? Korean? Korean? Or Vietnamese? Vietnam? Chinese? Ooh. Why ni?
Welcome.
Kala nyo, hindi ako marunong a little bit Chinese. Shallow. Am I right? Shallow? Shallow? Sir, make it 2. Make it 2 kilos. Ayaw, yun na, isa na lang. Oh, see? More than 2 kilos. I only make it 2 kilos.
Kulang ba?
Uy, kulang, tama ah. Linis. Okay, linis. Ang ating mga suki. Yan, sir, you want that one? 250. Okay, another one. It's very fresh.
250 isa peraso.
Kilo. That's per kilo. That's per kilo. You are my first customer. Hope I will be lucky to have customers like you for today. 1.2 is 300. Ano gagawin? Sir, is right? 3?
Oh.
300. That one is 300. Okay. Chop. Chop. Okay. What else, sir? You want this one? Red snapper. Just very fresh. You don't like? Grouper. This one is 450.
450.
Yes. First class from fish. That one is 600. 6. Red grouper.
600.
The 600.
600. 450.
Okay.
Ano đi kilo thiếu ấy?
我合作一件，你合作一下，要多少钱啊？
1 kilo. Exact 1 kilo. The 600 plus 3,900. Okay. 1,350. Okay. This one, we will not slice this one.
Ito, ganyan, ito dalawa. Dalawa, okay lang.
Dalawa lang, isiwa. Dalawa hiwa. Yes. Butterfly fish. That one is very, very yummy, very
Ito
delicious.
ba kano?
400, sir. Very yummy.
Aussie.
Bawas, 350, go. Very fresh. That's very fresh.
300.
No, we can't. You know what is my capital of this? No, 320 is my capital of this. So 350 is enough. That's the last discount that I can give. Okay, that 1.4. There 1.4. 350 plus 1 4. Dad. Calculator. Yes. No, 350 per kilo plus 1.4, 490. That's 1.4 kilo. 1.4, 490. What else? Okay, 1,350 plus 490. 1,840. Oh, this one. This one, sir. I know. This is good. This is so good. Labahita. You don't want that one.
May tarihan ka, madam?
Wala po, ma'am. Wala akong kariyan ngayon, ma'am. Yan. The eel, you don't want that one, sir? It's good.
Ito magkano?
Coconut milk, 250. I give it. Okay.
依家有呢個就係係
Opya, mani, popcorn.
May bako. Ako tingnan ko.
Sir, so fresh. It's so fresh, oh. Slimy. Slimy.
Ito magkano to? Kilo?
250.
250 isang kilo?
Yes. Okay, 2.3, 500, 90. Ay, 575. 2,415. Ariwa. May buwan naman, no? Buo lang yata. Slice, sir? Slice? No. Slice ba? Hiwa.
Yung bet na doon tete. Oh,
No, nabenta na po, nabenta na. Bago lahat yan.
Wala, kaharo. Lahat yan, no? Wala iba.
Wala na ako iba isa, sir. Few fishes for today because, you know, this is, pag Monday, we limit our stocks because it is matumal. Matumal today. I didn't know that you are coming.
Apat ha.
Apat slice. Oh, sir, you will go. Lahat na. So, I don't have.
Ayaw lahat, malaki.
Oh, sir.
Malaki, hindi kaya. Marigin ako.
Maliit lang ikaw. Malaki ka, sir, eh. Sir, it's all fresh. You don't have to open the gills. But it's all fresh. Kawawa na ko. This one, sir. Ay! Sir, make it 2 kilos. Come on. 2 kilos. Oh, make it 2. It's only few. Oh, a small one. Oh, see? 2 kilos.
Bye, tangka no. Ako si Kunti oh. Oh. Nabala din, bihili ba?
Okay. Plus 700. Sir, plus 700. 3,150. Ben naman si sir. My first customer. No more fishes. $3,115, Dad. 3,100. 3,100. 100. No, sir. Huwag mo akong baratin. Ikaw ang binamano ko. Pag ako binarat mo, binamano ikaw. Thank you so much for buying. Hope you can be my suki always.
그래서 오늘 석회로 왜 나왔지 군대
Yeah, sure. Oh, yeah. I will give you discounts. It's already been discounted. Sir, sobra. Sobra, ha? So you will be my suki. Hanggang ito, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa niyo sa akin. Thank you for always supporting me. And once again, good morning and God bless everyone.